officials headed by Mayor Ramon Enrico, who are not yet around. The barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Ruben Viviana, Barangay Kagawad Ronnie Kabatid, Barangay Kagawad Emmanuel Carito, who was here with us. Our very motherly principal of this institution, Madam Esperanza Sivilanes, PBCA officers, headed by Mr. Orlando Cucorpo, the very cooperative and diligent staff of the Tumagnat National High School, parents, graduates, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, and pleasant afternoon. Whenever I introduce a guest speaker, I am honored because I know I was a part and all his teachers of what he has become. Who could ever think that this young man will someday become a guest speaker? Whenever graduation day comes, I always ask Madam Milanes who will again be our guest speaker. And she said, try to check our valedictorians, our salutatorians, and even the honor students before. But to our surprise, there was this young man through the information of his barangay name, and who was never an honor nor an outstanding student, but he was able to become what he is now. He is a well-respected person and a good example to everyone. It never came into my mind that this young man has the vision that someday he will be in front of many people preaching. It was my first year of teaching in this school, way back in September 1987, when our guest speaker was in the first year. And he was one of my students in my mathematics class. Since I was in the service that time, I wasn't able to know more about this young man. Just like an ordinary student, pagkahili ka, nahihirapan i-recall ng teacher kung ano ka when you were in the high school. Unless loko ka, or magaling ka sa klase, or behave ka, or ito yung pinakamasipag. But I'm not telling you, my dear graduates or my dear students, na kailangan gumawa kayo ng kalokohan para ma-recall kayo ng mga teachers nyo pagdating ng araw. When I asked Ma'am Pilares what he recalls about our guest speaker, sabi niya sa akin, naglukulay sa maupin. Hindi high school. But as far as I'm concerned, I can't recall anything that made him not be inside my math class. Or maybe because our guest speaker has the fear. Has the fear before that I might call him a guy or solve a particular problem in mathematics. Kaya pag sa math class, tahimik lang siya eh. Although sabi nila, ay nag-loko. Pero sabi ko, pagdating sa klase ko, hindi naman siya loko. So paano masasabing loko nga siya? Dinala ko yung tipong terror ng teacher para katakasan ng mga estudyante. But I'm proud to say, behave siya sa klase ko. He never did face the creative trouble in my class. Our guest speaker was born on August 24, 1972, here in Sumabulit, and the son of Mr. Bernardo Canancial, Sr. and Mrs. Norma Arabe. He was married to Juanita Cueva Servito, an elementary teacher, of whom he has 3 children, mainly Soshane Jane, a third-year student in this school, and a consistent first honor and a scholar of the DPO Foundation, Mark Jonar, the first-year student in this same school, and Jethro, an elementary grader. Our guest speaker finished his elementary and secondary in this school in 1986 and in 1990 respectively. In 1991, he took up radio communication for 1 year at the National Radio School of Technology in Dagupan City. In 2001, he took up Bachelor of Arts and Theology at the Luzon Nazarene Bible College in La Trinidad, Benguet, and graduated in 2005. It was in January 2007 when he and his family joined him during his ordination. In 2008, he enrolled at the Ecumenical Theological Seminary in Baguio City for his Master of Divinity. At present, he is an instructor and vice chairman at the Presbyterian Central College of Mission Theological Seminary in Orden, Mississippi, and a resident pastor of the Church of the Nazarene here in Sumatria. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you our guest speaker who is contributing a lot to the future. A man whose mission is to inculcate in the heart and mind of his barangay and housemates the value of serving the Lord, and whose love and dedication is to preach the gospel of the Lord. Reverend